Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dimma here. So today I'll be showing you how to make the best aloe vera oil there is with an amazing ingredient. Please keep on watching. I remember telling you in my last video when I was prepping my aloe leaf that I was going to use a stone to kill 3 birds, remember? So here is 2/3 of the videos. Here we are going to be making use of the skin of the aloe vera and some of the thinly sliced ones to make our hair growth oil. No need to trash and waste it because I believe they still have some nutrients in them. So just grab an aloe leaf and thinly slice them like so, just like I'm doing here. Slice them thinly and then add up to the ones that we already have. That's the skin. I actually removed the pulp, which I will use for my first video, my pre-poo video, my aloe vera pre-poo video. You can check that in the description box, or you check the card on the screen. I'm going to link that so you could check that video if you did not know how we did that. So these are my thinly sliced aloe vera leaf, which I'll be using for this oil. Please keep on watching. So guys, these are the thinly sliced aloe vera leaf which we are going to be making use of, and that's the pulp which I used for my other video, and this is the skin which you normally toss away, but in this case I'm not going to trash it. We are going to be using it to benefit our hair, and that's using it to make an oil. So next is my secret ingredient, the neem leaves. The neem leaves are amazing for natural hair due to its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Neem is an excellent way to curb dandruff. It helps the hair follicles to become stronger and also encourage hair growth. As you can see in the video, I went ahead and plucked the neem leaves ready to be used for this process. So these are the skin, the aloe vera skin, and these are the thinly sliced ones. Just an up close of how they look like. So next is my neem leaves. I didn't use any proportion for this. I just eyeballed it to suit me. I used 250 ml worth of olive oil. I didn't show you the brand, and that's because I want you to feel free to use any brand of your choice. Any brand of olive oil is just fine. So next I'll go ahead and throw in my thinly sliced aloe vera, next the flesh, and then lastly the neem leaves. So after pouring everything together in the oil, just go ahead and grab a spatula and give it a good mix. So next we are going to be making use of a DIY double boiler to cook this. So make sure you're close to the pot to keep on stirring until they are pale. We are going to cook this until the leaves changes color from green maybe to pale. Make sure you stand by it and keep on stirring it until they are properly cooked. Look at how mine looks. I will keep on stirring until they are properly cooked. So I won't be able to tell you the time it takes to cook this, but you can know when that is ready when the leaves changes color, maybe to brown or so. So I'll go ahead and sieve this to get my oil. Then next I will transfer it into my spray bottle or applicator bottle, whichever one you have is fine. Then next, go ahead and cover it. Aloe vera oil is stable and it does not separate. You can just store it in a cool, dry place, and you do not need to refrigerate this oil. This oil is best used as a sealant, pre-poo, and you can also use this oil to massage your scalp. This oil is great for the scalp because of the neem in it. I love this oil because it absorbs super fast into your hair. In my future video, I will be demonstrating how you can use this oil on your natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Share with your friends, and while sharing, ensure to give me credit. Thank you all so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.